you, humiliate you, to exploit you, and
mm,
after entangling into the difficult legal process, it was intended to make you suffer for the many years and ruin you.
mm,
Why those kind of the rules they were imposed on us? Those were
yeah,
framed by the Britishers with the evil design.
yeah, yeah.
And Dr. Jugal Kosor, I would like to re-stress that even after the promulgation of the three acts, so-called the Bharat Nyaya Sanghita, it is old
Mm,
wine in the new bottles.
yeah,
But
true.
I mean, the IPC, it was having this section, now the new section is this.
Indeed.
Dr. Jugal Kosor, I would like to ask from you
Mm,
whether we people are so foolish that we cannot frame three good law for ourselves.
mm, true.
Then why we are getting befooled by the politicians, those who have deliberately have not given you good politicians?
Mm,
These political parties, they give the ticket on the basis of caste, creed, race, religion, and other parochial consideration. Do you agree with that?
true. Indeed.
And thereafter, they have created a concept of the winnability. And it
Mm,
is very unfortunate for us that all politicians, they see the winnability in the people who are crooked, who are criminals, who are moneyed people, who
mm,
are the exploiters. These kind of the people, they are seen as a winnable candidate by these political party. Do you agree with this
mm,
analysis?
indeed. Indeed.
Okay. Now the next point: how these political parties are winning. They are distributing freebies. They are distributing
Mm,
money. They are distributing liquor. They are giving murgas, and
mm,
that's how they are purchasing the vote of the poor people
mm,
after befooling them. Do you agree with this analysis?
yes.
Okay. Now, what is the option available with the Dr. Jugal Kishore and other people like Dr. Jugal Kishore?
Mm,
So we have created. I would like to request you kindly.